your points of view. We create games that inspires everybody to look inside themselves, gain insight and make impact in our lives.
One of the unique things about our games that you can use them with different target audiences, with executives, team leaders, employees, everybody.
You can use them one-on-one, in small groups, and also with large audiences of hundreds of people.
I did it with a 900 and I can do it with a 3000. It doesn't actually matter.
Our corporate workshops are perfect for team building, leadership development, conflict resolution, recruitment.
First of all, it's a wonderful team building tool. Everyone in the team knows what the team's purpose is, what we are doing, and how we want to do it.
They are simple, effective, sustainable, and bottom line, they deliver results.
Practical, one thing that you can use it now. Open and play.
Beyond all that, our workshops are fun and they allow people to connect and open up and to touch significant issues in a non-confronting way.
When I use the card with the organization, it's easy for me to go deep, but to stay light.
And then the cards always reflect what we want to say, but it's somehow indirect, so it touches, as I said, the creative side of our mind.
Our workshops can be facilitated in two ways, either by our certified trainers, or we can train people from your organization to run the workshops themselves.
What I'm really doing in Costa Rica is giving the knowledge of how to use the tools to the people that work in different corporations, banks, institutions, and then they can create their own workshops.
Points of view methodology enables out-of-the-box thinking, very streamlined planning, to finish with very fast executions of very sophisticated and complex moves.
It sounds very romantic, but it's true, and it works.